Imagine this. You're sitting at home, scrolling through real estate listings, dreaming about owning property, but then reality hits. You check your bank account, and let's just say, it's not exactly screaming, "real estate mogul." Sounds familiar? Well, guess what? You don't need to be rich to start investing in real estate. In this video, we're going to break down how you can get started with little to no money in 2025. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real strategies that work. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about mindset. Too many people think real estate is for the wealthy, but in reality, most real estate investors started with little money. The key is leveraging what you do have, whether it's knowledge, creativity, or partnerships. It's about playing the game smart, not just having deep pockets. Let's talk about house hacking. Probably the fastest way to get started with little money. The idea is simple. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. Your tenant's rent covers your mortgage, and boom, you're living for free or close to it. The best part? You can do this with an FHA loan, which requires as little as 3.5% down. If you're renting right now, why not turn your rent money into an investment? Next up, wholesaling. This is where you act as the middleman, finding great deals, locking them under contract, and selling the contract to an investor for a profit. The best part? You don't need a ton of cash or even great credit. You just need to find good deals. Platforms like Craigslist, Zillow, and Driving for Dollars can help you uncover hidden gems. It's all about knowing what to look for and how to negotiate. If you're short on cash, why not use someone else's? No, I'm not talking about robbing a bank. I'm talking about creative financing. This includes seller financing, lease options, and private money lenders. In many cases, sellers are willing to finance a deal themselves, meaning you don't even need a traditional mortgage. Networking is key here. Attend local real estate meetups, talk to investors, and pitch your ideas. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to fund a good deal. Not ready to deal with tenants, toilets, or termites? No problem. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning property. It's like buying shares of real estate projects and earning passive income through dividends. This is one of the easiest ways to dip your toes into real estate without needing large sums of money up front. One of the most powerful tools in real estate is joint venturing. If you don't have money, find someone who does. Many investors have the capital but lack the time or expertise. That's where you come in. Maybe you're great at finding deals, managing properties, or handling negotiations. Find a partner who complements your strengths, and together you can build wealth faster. BRRRR stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. This strategy allows you to buy a distressed property, fix it up, rent it out, refinance to pull out your original investment, and then do it again. It's one of the fastest ways to build a real estate portfolio with minimal upfront cash. If you want to get into real estate with little money, you need to find deals that others aren't seeing. Off-market deals, those not listed on MLS, can often be bought below market value. You can find them through direct mail campaigns, networking, or even driving around neighborhoods looking for distressed properties. The better the deal, the easier it is to finance, flip, or wholesale. So, what's your excuse now? You don't need a trust fund, you just need strategy and action. Whether it's house hacking, wholesaling, creative financing, REITs, joint ventures, or BRRRR, there's a way for you to get started in real estate investing, even if your budget is tight. If this video gave you some ideas, smash that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll personally answer them. Now go out there and make moves.